Hi everyone. Today we have an honor to share the platform with Dr. Shubham Jain. He's ranked 16 from AIMS June 2020 this time. So heartiest congratulations, Doctor.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So first of all, please introduce yourself.
Hi, everyone. This is Dr. Shubham Jain, MBBS pass out from KGMC Lucknow. I was this year NEET PG 383 rank. Now I got AIMS PG All India rank 16 in this AIMS July session.
So in NEET also you have done a great job, and in AIMS you have completely surpassed all the ranks, and 16 is really good. So which branch are you picking this time?
Actually, I had always thought of taking medicine only, and I also got allotted seat in MD medicine in IMS BHU.
Okay.
So I'm like they thinking of I'm not getting like AIMS Delhi medicine, but I also have hopes for PGI because it went well,
Okay.
and I may consider pediatrics in it because it's like extension of AIMS Delhi.
AIMS
So
itself.
I may consider.
Okay. So despite the COVID situation, you have performed really well. So firstly, I wanted to ask you that what was your actual schedule for these months? What was your strategy for these months after your NEET exam up till your AIMS exam?
Yes, ma'am. You pointed out the right thing that there were many distractions this year,
Yes.
especially. So when I got 383 rank, I was like, I expected around 800. It's a day to day effects. Some you they are good and bad.
Mm.
And then I had a choice either to enjoy till my joining of presidency, or
Mhm.
either get back to preparation for the entrance. There were no way between because either do one thing or the other. So my after guiding from my seniors, so I think that I will give my best shot for the central exam because many people stop the preparation after getting good ranks NEET. So the cream is already not preparing. So
Right.
you had an advantage of preparation in NEET if you continue well somehow. Like it's difficult to get back after 1 month of
Mm.
like those. So it was difficult to to get into again reading notes till February. Then in Feb that phase started. Like I had in mind now target is like central exams. But then when lockdown happened,
Mm.
then exams got delayed. I was initially preparing for enhanced, which was early in March, and
Okay.
its state is still now also not declared. So that's a different thing. So
Okay.
I was preparing that time. So at that time when it was delayed, many people told that it might not happen this year.
Mm.
The seat will be transferred to November. Like there were rumors in like, why are you preparing?
Mhm.
Exam won't happen. There were no situation. Like at that time, I had a thought why I was preparing. There were only 4 seats of medicine teams Delhi. Like if I even get 6 or 8, then also I won't get. So but I thought like it's an exam. You never know what can happen if you give your best shot. If it is your good day picks, like if you have a good luck that day, something like anything can happen. Like for that preparation is must. So I continued preparation to give my best shot.
Okay. So what was your actual revision strategy in these months? What are the main highlights for the revision? What all sources you used for that?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, like when NEET result came, I was confused like how to start because there was not much time left that you can again revise whole thing, each and everything. So that time I took which like I studied rapid revision like at the end of December and November for quick revision. Then I also did again that rapid revision videos to to, to like for pharma. You can't like pharma is big thing. So I watched rapid revision for pharma. It was what I I watched image based session of pathology because pathology is form a core in central exams.
Okay.
And similarly like big subjects I tried to cover from revision. Then what I did, like I found that there were videos for past years question discussion. That was like boost up because from that I got an idea from all the question what all topics are being considered. So I focused on that topics first. In that way, like plan was sorted. Like
Okay.
step by step, this will come. First of all, important topics, then other thing.
So did you take face-to-face classes also, or you were only on the online platform?
Actually, ma'am, I started my preparation from second year only. At
Okay.
that time, all the faculty members, which are now part of different platform,
Mm.
they used to take live classes in Lucknow, different cities.
Okay.
Like I took class of Deepak Marwa sir, Apu Mehra sir,
Mm.
when they came in Lucknow.
Okay.
I was connected with Deepak Marwa sir from second year only
Mhm.
about my preparation guidance. So I had my prepared for note till internship. I had like sorted things from where I have to study. In internship, I only like used app of different platforms just for the GTs and subject tests and Q banks.
Okay, so you started preparing your notes from second year, right? So how important notes were there for your preparation? You were only consulting the notes, or you were also consulting the standard books?
Yes, ma'am. There's no substitute for standard books.
Hmm.
That's a golden line. Substitute form like major part of each preparation. Like we are not. It's not like only about competition. We are becoming a doctors. We would be practicing like clinician someday. So we can't like mug up and things and all. So textbook form a base
Okay.
of our UG studies,
Hmm.
and that only helps in like in competition exam. There's no different thing like different thing you have to which have to study for like clearing PG. It's the same thing which I like you study in UGs. Just you have to be now more specific and more planned and
Hmm.
like directed study. So I used what I did like on my personal view. I used to study textbooks and review books and squeeze out all the contents which I find relevant into my notes. So I edited, modified my notes, and they were like ready to be just learned when I was an internship.
Okay. So you started with the standard textbooks in your profs, right? Third year and fourth year, and internship you were exclusively consulting your notes, right? Okay. So I wanted
Yes,
to
ma'am.
know that how was the AIMS exam this time? How it was clinical or integrated,
Um,
or
hmm.
how will you analyze that?
Ma'am, this year's like AIMS was very unorthodox, unexpected type,
Okay.
and very different from NEET PG. It was like vice versa of NEET and AIMS this year. I would like use switch to say
Oh.
because NEET was more clinically oriented, and AIMS this time asked like direct questions and
Mhm.
recall and memory based things.
Hmm.
And many this time, like my personal view was that many things were asked from micro patho laboratory parts, like laboratory technique and staining work. I don't know, like these are like these topics can come anytime. You have to be ready
Mhm.
in about 200 questions. You can't just give you all 200 from the repeated ones or recall subjects or recall topics. They
Okay.
will give you some 40 or 50 odd question which will be different because and but at the same time those 140 150 odd questions were always which form the core of the paper will always be from the things which you have already learned. So
Okay.
like you can't you don't have to like if I say like this year staining was asked some like fecal sample
Hmm.
so segment like in methanol it was giving. So I don't want to like now to study this also. I won't suggest stick to your core studies, core subject, core topics because they will make you will come into that range. These atypical questions which come every year, they decide the rank. Like these are luck factor also, like you are ruling out two option, you are playing in two option 50-50. But the core subject, like 140-50 question will always be from your basics. If you like doing wrong in them, then you are already out of the range.
Hmm.
So be prepared for basics only. These questions will only like make difference in your rank.
Okay. So how important grant tests were there in your preparation? What is the how often you were giving the grant tests?
Ma'am, GTs like for in my view, GTs are the core, like essence of any preparation for any not any competitive exam.
Hmm.
Like and every faculty says this word. GTs is everything you
Hmm.
need to do.
Hmm.
And I would like suggest my juniors and my all the fellow ones who are preparing that give GTs from the day one if possible, because you cannot be fully prepared till the last day of your exam. It is a myth because you can't grasp everything.
Right.
You will be in shortage of everything, anything like you can't prepare fully. So because in initial days when you haven't completed your subject, you give JTs to like to for time management preparation, for checking your errors while reading, checking your like option reading errors. When you start revising, then GT scores play a role. So it has a dual like work, preparing you for the actual exam, and at the end of the like preparation days, checking your actual stage where you are.
Okay, so Shubham, what was the strategy to deal with your strong subjects and weak subjects? Means everybody has that. There is always a weak subject, right? So how were dealing with that?
First of all, like for NEET also and AIMS also, I would like to say that you can't do PhD in one subject. Every subject has question has its own value. All subjects need to be looked. You cannot just miss any subject while going to exam. You just leave it. You have to like read all subjects in first reading. So that is mandatory. You have to complete thorough reading first. That is the most important reading. Then in revision, you like everyone personalized. Find your weak topics and work on them. Like for example, when I revise, then which the things which are easily recalled in less time, which are like having problem, they can be given more time. But but that doesn't mean you get stuck to one thing, because you have no idea which thing can come,
Right.
which topic can come. You have no idea. There are n number of things that they can ask. So rather than sometimes I see students wasting on one topic which they are not getting, it's better to leave if it is consuming time, because there are many more things to cover. So
Right.
don't get stuck because of your weak points on that only, because you
Right.
have to lot of cover. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now there are so many students who will be watching your video and they will be looking up to you for your advice and the suggestions. So what will be your take-home message for this video? If you want to highlight your
Ma'am,
three pointers for the important things.
first of all, ma'am, everyone is a contender. No one
Mm,
is out of the race,
right.
be it a like good student in VG or be it a poor student, because it's no one can predict what you can do, because whether you get good ranks or bad ranks in mock, ultimately the day of the exam which you get in the exam is
Mm,
matter the most, and that day is one single day. So the whole phase you should not like see medicine in your fire at any time in your time,
mm,
because no one can like point out you and say that tomorrow nahi hoga. How can he know? How
mm,
can anyone tell like who will get, who will not get? Okay, first of all, so that no one should stop preparation how bad the condition are, should
right.
give their try.
Right.
Second thing, multiple revision. If anyone asks what is the essence, what suppose which app, yeah, which source helped you the most,
Mm,
single best answer would be the revision. Revision is the thing which helps the topper the most, not the app, not the source.
right. Right.
Because like you are doing your like our faculties, our app is doing their part. If we don't do our part from our side, I'm saying no app or no source can guarantee that you will get selection if you are not doing your part from your side.
Mm,
So it's our responsibility to utilize the resources well which are giving, and no resource is bad or good.
mm,
It's how you utilize them. There's no like bad faculty, good faculty and all. It may be a personal issue that you can't understand someone's like teaching and all,
mm,
but actually if you are true towards yourself and true towards your resource, you will utilize them perfectly to get a good rank. And the final thing, make schedule. Everything needs to be planned. There's no haphazard thing. Complete, like it's my personal view, like complete subject by subject, go subject by subject. Don't look back, don't look forward. What you are reading now, concentrate on them, finishing it, then jump to next. After first reading, then only start to think of revision, because if midway you think of revising many things beforehand, you
mm,
will get lost, because it is a vicious cycle. If you if you like no topper can read like grasp anything in one reading. Everyone requires a multiple reading. So
right.
everyone is the same stage in first reading. After that, you should worry about a revision thing.
Right. 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 So thank you so much, Dr. Shubham. So really congratulate on your achievement, and I hope that many students will take so much advice from this video, and you have given a very lightly said that revision is the most important component of your exam. So I wish you all the very best, and I hope you secure a very good rank in PGI as well. So all the best. Thank you, Shubham. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.